In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator on iPhone. First, go to the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Here, tap the plus icon shown at the top right corner. After that, tap on the Continue option to proceed. In the next step, tap on the Personal account from the option. Now, tap on Sign in with Microsoft to continue the process. Then enter your email address associated with Microsoft Teams and hit Next. After this, enter your password and tap on Sign in. You'll receive a verification code in your provided email. Then navigate to your email account to get the code. Now enter the verification code sent to your email and hit Verify. Next, tap on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Following that, go to your phone settings. Make sure the toggle is turned on for the Microsoft Authenticator app to enable permission. After that, go back to the app and tap Go to Authenticator. Now, tap the plus icon again in the top right corner to add Teams. This time, choose either Google, Facebook, etc. as the account type. In the next steps, use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided by Microsoft Teams. You can manually enter the account name and secret key if a QR code is not available. Once you've completed these steps, you'll set up Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.